Tom, this is Aaron. We have made this robot called FetchBot.
So try the sensors, yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll just take the casing off here. I guess the most important sensor is this radio antenna, which is attached to this radio receiver here, which is just basically part of a clock radio. And
this antenna is a ferrite rod antenna, which is your typical cheapo AM radio antenna, which it tends to be fairly directional. However, it's directional on this axis, so it's directional off of both ends. We wanted just one direction, but this is best.
But it's mounted on a servo.
Yeah, so
mounted on a
swivels
servo,
back
so
and
we
forth.
can steer the antenna into whatever direction we want to see where the strongest signal is what we're trying to do.
And then we've got mounted on the front bumpers here, we've got this picking up device, which also serves as a bumper to detect walls. So it flicks a switch here, and it's also has Velcro on the front that will pick up our target.
So what are you trying to catch?
This ball.
It's trying to catch this ball, which has a radio transmitter inside.
There is a coil antenna around this axis, which produces the strongest radio antenna radio signal in this axis, going back and forth this way. So if we keep on pointing the ball towards the robot, then the robot will see the ball and chase after it. And when it gets close, the robot will go and pick up the ball and spin around and sing a song. And the whole point of this was to make sure that the robot could follow a ball while it's still rolling and still chase after it and pick it up.
Yeah, so we can pick up a stationary ball, or if you're, for instance, carrying the ball, or if the ball's rolling, it'll still follow it while it's moving.
Okay, let's show it.
This ball doesn't really roll very well though.
So yeah, we'll simulate that by carrying it around.
It started out with 9-volt batteries inside it, but the transmitter was too powerful and sucked back the batteries too quick, so we've got this instead.
Okay.
So now we've got a wide open space, then we can see how it works.
Okay, I'll just hit the reset button. Now there's a, using the back bumper as a switch, that sort of turns it on or off. So if you hit that any time while it's going, it'll pause or resume.
So you follow the ball right now, whoever holding it.
Yeah.
Okay. The ball is on now?
Yeah, the ball is on and it is currently rolling very slowly.
Go.
Goes this way, the robot follows.
It's got two modes. If it's far away from the ball, like it is now, it will constantly be moving, but if it detects it's within a certain range, it'll stop and home in on it. He detected it and hit the ball, so he played a tune and spun around.
So if it were to hit that curve,
it would stop.
It would, well, let's make it hit the curve.
You would think it would get the ball.
Actually,
no,
while
it
it's
won't.
in far away mode, if it hits a bumper, it'll adjust.
Ah, so you distinguish it where you get the ball and not get the ball.
Yeah.
That's good.
And say the robot comes close to the ball, or
there we go.
That's pretty good.
It goes into its search mode.
It's closer now.
Yeah.
Up.
And it tries to find the ball, but if the ball is still rolling,
Yeah, if
that
the ball
rolls
moves
away.
If the ball moves back out of range, he'll move back into his faster mode.
Goes back to the
Okay, put it down on the floor and let it seat.
There we go.
There we go. Seeking now. Good. My goodness, you just had to aim right on. Hey, the boys! Oh, I got caught. That's very good. Okay.